Howdy Hoopers, I'm Sherry Rippinger of Hip to Hoopla, and today we're going to be learning this little combo, but it's all about catch. It's a let's catch and play. Let's play catch. All right, so what we're going to be doing is a simple horizontal throw to begin with. I'm using a smaller, lighter hoop. You can use whatever hoop size that you like, but we're just doing a simple horizontal. Notice that the hoop isn't leaving my hands. It's not going way up, not just yet. You're just getting used to the timing at first. So just release, release, release. So I'm tossing on an upbeat and I'm catching on the downbeat. So toss up, catch on the downbeat. I'm bending my knees slightly as I come down and catch that. So you have space to get up and then catch down. Okay? And then now what we're going to be doing, keeping the hands in the same position. So we're going to take this in a nice gentle flip and just catch back in the hands. So little gentle flip, gentle flip. Okay, so we had that first toss, which was just a horizontal toss. Then we have a simple flip toss where we catch it, okay? And then now we're going to do that little simple flip toss, but we're going to dive inside the hoop while it's up in the air, okay? And you're going to dive right through the center. So as this comes up, I'm going to dive and I'm going to catch with inside grip with the hands. I'm catching up above, so it's still inside. As you come down, it's going to switch to a little bit of an outside grip. Okay, so let's do that sequence again. So we're going to do toot, little horizontal tosses, a flip toss, and then another flip toss, and dive and come in. So one more time, horizontal, horizontal, flip it, and jump inside. All right, I'm Sherry of Hip the Hoopla. I hope you have enjoyed that. And if you like these tutorial videos, please subscribe to the channel and I show you more. And if you really enjoyed some catches, these are some pretty simple ones on this one. I have a whole class of Let's Play Catch where there are all kinds of, even a hook catch. So tosses and catches make great recovery moves. They're great for transition hoop dancing, and they're just a lot of fun. So you can do all kinds of things with some different catches. All kinds of things. So I hope you've enjoyed that. Rock on, peace out. I'm Sherry Rippinger of Hip the Hoopla. I shall see you on the next tutorial video and hopefully in the Let's Play Catch hoop class. All right, rock on, peace out. Check the links below and subscribe. All right, thanks. Bye.